Yo, guys, y'all know what today is, man. Air Jordan 3 Black Cat release day. And I'm not surprised the way that this release is going. You guys can see they're currently still sitting on Sneakers app. It's not a lot of pairs left. Actually, they gone. Literally, it is 11:13, so it took an hour for them to sell out on the Nike Sneakers app. And they gone, bro. I thought they were going to sit for a little while longer. They do have like GS pairs, Tyler pairs, and stuff like that on the Sneakers app. But nah, they just gone. They gone, bro. So it kind of is going the same way as like an Air Jordan 4 Black Cat release. You know what I'm saying? I was a little bit surprised when they said more than an hour. And I'm like, yo, what's going on? But I feel like the momentum is kind of, picking up in favor for these Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. And we are currently at the mall right now to pick up the double up. I told y'all the double up has to come. It has to be secure. And I put like 40 head starts on FLX to secure these Black Cat 3s. And yeah, we're gonna walk in here, grab them. I'm gonna kind of see what all is sitting currently in Foot Locker. Might check out Champs, not too sure, but I'm kind of in and out. I'm on one of them quick missions. Gotta put this content out for you guys to see how y'all release day is going. This is the best day. I get to chop it up with you guys in the comment section. Y'all let me know how y'all release day is going, and I kind of engage, how the release is going. You know what I'm saying? So I do truly appreciate everybody tapping in. If you guys are new here to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a huge like. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So without further ado, let's head into the mall. Let's see what this Black Cat release day is looking like. It's early. I'm here at 11 o'clock in the morning, right when it opens, so I can get in and out, put this content up, see how y'all day is going, because I know it's going to be a couple of different stories around the first Jordan release of the year. So let's see how it's going. But before we do, like I said, run them likes up, spam them comments, let me know if you got a W or L, and yeah, let's go ahead and pick up this double up, man. Let's get it. I got these Royal One Lows with that sale missile, pretty cool. I can't believe he's still sitting too. These reverse metallic joints. This gotta be a big size, bro. It's gotta be a big size. These joints released damn near 8 months ago. And then the diffused blue lows. It's gotta be another one of them boat sizes. Gotta be. Pretty much all they got sitting J-wise. Bunch of lows. These Nigel Sylvester joints. The Bike Airs. These pretty cool too. I don't even know what the retail tag is on these. 150, not bad. Black Cat 4s. They got a couple different colorways. Got these, and they got these joints right here. Some 2 lows. But these all look like huge sizes. Maybe that's what they decide to add on to the wall. But y'all see what's going on, bro. Bunch of 1 lows, 13s, 1 lows, 11 lows. That's about it, man. Yes, sir, your boy got that double up, man. So let's go ahead and break him out and break him down. Like I said, you guys let me know down below in the comment section how your release day is going. They was sitting for a little while, the next thing you know, them things flew. It's crazy. But like I said, same thing kind of happened with the Black Cat 4s back in 2021 or 2020, whenever that was. But man, that double up was a must, and check them out, bro. That 9.5 from Foot Locker is looking crispy. Oh my God, this one gonna stay on ice for a little while, you know what I'm saying? Just for a little while, I see how it's doing right now. Currently on GOAT, they're going for like 250, 260, and I can definitely see these start going up within the next couple of weeks. But I did talk to the Foot Locker manager today, and I was asking, like, how many pairs I got? What's going on with the sneaker? And she said that they should have some more coming in. They said they had like a little bit of stock currently, but they're waiting on like a late shipment. I guess that's what she was trying to say. So if you ain't got a pair yet, I will wait just a little bit before pulling that trigger, because Foot Locker might be your best bet when it comes to late shipments, man. But you guys see them, bro. Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, the best way to start the year off, in my opinion. All black, can't go wrong with them. And like I said, bro, this could potentially be a top 5, top 10 sneaker of the year for a lot of people. I know for me, it's definitely gonna be in the top when it comes to the end of the year. But I want you guys to let me know how your release day went, how it was cracking, what was going on with your Black Cat 3 release, man. Super interested and knowing, man.